Hey kiddos, put your thinking caps on because are going to do something that is going to be kind of challenging today. We are going to start out with our subtraction now, more than just our 2-digit. You guys are rock stars with your 2-digit subtraction. So we're going to move on. And just like when we did our addition, or I'm sorry, when we did our subtraction and we started taking away from 100, and I was like, oh, the kids are not going to get this, they're not going to get this, and you guys rocked it. And I kind of hesitated um going over this with you with the thousands without me being like right face to face with you, but I think that you can handle it. I think that you can do it. You can be rock stars and your parents are there to help you, or I am there to help you if you just message me. But I don't want you to be lost when you get to to third grade, because you will likely start out doing some problems like this and they're going to assume that I have taught you, and we're just in a situation where that's hard. So I at least wanted you to be exposed. So we are going to start out practicing about subtraction from 1000. And when we do that, kids, we know that we have our zeros here. We know that. We know that I can't take, our little rhyme, more on top, more on the floor, more on the floor, go next door. But look at, okay, I'm on here, I'm on number 5. Look at this. I don't have any that I can get to here. So if I go to the next one, I don't have any. I don't have any until I go way over here to the thousands place. So the easy way to do that is just to, how can I make 1000 look a little bit different? Just like when we made our 100 look different and we did our 100, we did 9 tens and 10 ones. I made it look a little bit different. I can make this look, or oh no, not again. I can't subtract. And so my easy way to do that, kiddos, if I have 1000 or if I have 10 100s, I'm going to have to ungroup some of those. I'm going to have to unbundle them. I'm going to have to take them apart. And when I do that, I can, let me get my color marker here. Let's see, what color do I want to use? Let's use purple. So when I do that, kids, I am going to make 1000 look a little bit different. Okay. So I'm going to have 900s. I'm going to have 9 tens, and I'm going to have 10 ones. Okay. So let's get that out right now. Let's get out our 900s blocks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's get those out. I should make those different colors here. So we have 1, 2. I know these might not exactly be the same colors, you guys. I'm sorry. I should have done this. Here, let's do this. I'm going to duplicate just because I don't want to. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let me just move those a little bit. I know we're supposed to put them in our groups of 5, so let's see what happens here when we do that. Might have to make them just a little sprinkle smaller maybe. You guys have the idea. Okay, so there's my group of 5. Then I've got 600, 700, 800, 900. So I have 900s, and then I said 9 tens. Okay, so I'm going to get this out. And when we do this, we usually use our just a stick, just a straight line. But I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me do this. Is it okay if I do it this way, you guys? So I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now what do I have? I have 900. Woo, didn't mean to do that. I have 990. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 990. Now I have to get 10 ones. And when I have 10 ones, what do I have? 990 and 10 more. Exactly. Yes, yes, yes. It is going to be 1,000. Very good. So I'm going to get those out just because I don't want to just leave you hanging here. And let's change the color on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's move those. Thanks for being patient with me, you guys, but I just wanted you to be able to see that 900s, 910s, and 10 ones is the same as 1,000. We just have to make it look different. That is it. And then we're going to be able to subtract. So when I get this done, kiddos, I have 900, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,000. It looks different, but it is exactly the same thing. So now I can subtract. 10 take away 2 is 8. 9 take away 7. Oh, I don't want to take away 7, but I can count up. 7, 8, 9 is going to be 2. And this one is, I just did that same one, 228. Let's check it. Let's add it up. 8 plus 2 is 10. Yes or no? 2 plus 7 is 9. Yes or no? Yep. And 2 plus 7 is 9. So my answer is correct. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at this next one. I've got 1,000. Take away 526. Well, I know I'm going to have to ungroup. I have to take them apart. I have to ungroup here. I have to ungroup here. I have to ungroup here. Oh no, not again. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to have 900s, 910s, and 10 ones. Okay, now I can subtract. 10 ones, take away 6 ones. It's a tens friend. You're right. 4 ones. 900s, take away 200s. 7. Oh, I'm sorry, 10s, you guys. 9 10s, take away 2 10s. You're right, 7 10s. Now I'm to my hundreds. 900, take away 500 is 400. Let's add it up. Let's check it. 4 plus 6 is 10. Yes or no? 7 plus 2 is 9. Yep. And 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, I think you're getting it. I think you're getting it. Let's just do one more, and then you can practice just a couple on your own in your books and have your parents check it. You do not have to take a picture for me, okay? I have to ungroup here. Yes. I'm going to have to ungroup here. Yes. I have to ungroup here. Yes. Oh, no, not again. I'm going to make it look different. So 900s, 910s, and 10 ones, because that is the same as 1,000. This is what we're showing right here. Okay, 10 take away 3, that's a tens friend. 7. 9 take away 4. If you said 5, you are correct. Ooh, that 5 looks good. Mrs. Herman's getting good at this. And 9 take away 8. Yeah, those are number neighbors, so they're always going to separate by 1. Very good. So let's add it up. Let's check it. 7 plus 3 is 10. Yes. 5 plus 4 is 9. Yes. And 1 plus 9, or 1 plus 8 is 9. Yes. Good job. So second grade, why don't you do just a couple of these, and I don't care which ones you do, and have your parents check those for you, okay? All right, so I'm going to move on to my second page here, and this one gets a little bit easier because we don't have our 1000s, but I do have a 0. So let's take a look at what that is going to look like. Now, again, we are ungrouping. We are taking our blocks, we're taking those numbers, and we are breaking them apart into smaller pieces. We still are going to have the same number. We just have to make it look different. Okay. All right. I'm not going to do this one. I don't like that magnifying glass right there. That's kind of tough for me to get around to see. Okay, so here, I'm looking here. Am I going to have to ungroup here? Yes. And then I'm going to have to ungroup here. Yes. So ungroup my 10. Yep. We'll answer this at the end here. We'll answer this at the end. I'm going to change colors here. Okay. So more on top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door. Oh, and move 10 more. I can't. So I have to go over here. I have to make my 500 look different. Oh no, not again. Second grade, it's just what we were just doing. I can do 400 because I'm going to break my other 100 apart. I had 5 of them, but I'm going to break it apart. And I am going to have 9 and I'm going to have 10. Now I'm going to show you just real quick without building those blocks. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can do this. Okay, so I need some in this middle area so I can, in my 10s, so I can give it to my 1s. So I'm going to go way over here. Okay, and I'm going to give him my 10 hundreds. So now I have 10, now I have 10 tens. Okay, and your parents can help you with this. Okay, if you're needing help, this gets a little bit confusing, but I think you can do it. So now I'm going to go here, more on top, more on the floor, more on the floor. Go next door and move 10 more. Kiddos, now since I have 10 tens here, now I can move one. I can move this over here. So I've got my 10 tens. I can write it over here too if I want. Okay, and if I moved one, I don't have 10 anymore, I have 9. So you can either make that, do that right away and say 400s, 9 tens, and 10 ones is 500, or you can go through the steps like this. I did a little bit, I went one extra step and I showed I moved them here and then I borrowed. Okay, let me show you one more time because I want you to understand this. Okay. I'm going to show you just one more time. More on top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door. I don't have any. So I have to go here and move 100 more. So now I have 400s and I have 10 tens. Okay, now I can do it. More on top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door and move 10 more. Okay. So now let's go ahead and subtract. 10 take away 4, or 10 take away 6. I gave you the answer. I do that all the time. You guys know that. Is 4. 9 take away 0. Yeah, is 9. And 4 take away 3 is 1. Let's add it up and check it. 4 plus 6 is 10. Yes. 9 plus 0 is 9. Yes. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes. Now let's look here. Did I have to ungroup to get 10 ones? Yes, I did. Did I have to ungroup to get 10 tens? Did I have to ungroup for this one? Nope, I didn't have to. I didn't have to. I could do my 9 take away 0. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this next one. Oh my gosh, this one's super easy. After that one, this one's super easy. 0 ones take away 0 ones is 0. More on top, more on the floor. More on top, don't stop. 7 take away 4 is 3. And 6 take away 3 is 3. Second grade, did I have to ungroup it all here? No. Did I have to ungroup here? No. Okay. Last one. I've only got a few seconds left, so let's see if I can do it. 0 take away 0 is 0. Did I have to ungroup? No, I did not. More on top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door and move 10 more. So now I have 17 instead of my 7. 17 take away 9 is 8. And 4 take away 3 is 1. Okay. Did I have to ungroup to get more ones? No. 10. Did I have to ungroup to get more 10s? Yes. Rockstar!